In this short Excel video, we will learn the manufacturing date and expiring date calculator. I have the manufacturing date of the products which I have mentioned here, which is bread, eggs, sugar, rice, chili, and turmeric. And here is the expiry after months. So for the first case, bread will be expire after 4 months. So how to calculate the manufacturing date? You need to apply e-date function formula. So what you have to do is press is equal to and then type edate function and then open the parenthesis, which is also called bracket, and select the manufacturing date and then comma and select the expire after month's date and close the parenthesis and enter. Now click on the manufacturing date and click on the painter format and apply on the entire expiry date column. And here you can see that the date format has been changed also. Now you can see that the bread manufacturing date was November 27, which is expiring on March 27, 2025. And simultaneously you can see the other products expiry dates. So it is pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.